Alright guys. Oh wow, look at this. So now back to one. And today look at this. It's October. Yay! Finally guys. Okay guys, we got the train right. I'm so crazy with this. Finally with the October of class. Yay! Finally guys. Alright, October is finally here. So we got the Museum Metro, like Moscow Metro. This is really awesome. Cannot wait, this is really crazy and got the tunnel lights, race. And now fail. And here this. Let's make the Metro right. Alright, let's go. Got the Metro right, here we go.
Осторожно, двери закрываются. Следующая станция.
Oh, what's the place there is? Oh, here we go. Whee! This is so really fast. Whee! Was racing, guys. Yay! Whee! This is so fast. That's really fast and good. Whoa! What dog? What dog in the tunnel? Really crazy. Oh, with the sky and we have been crazy, guys. Big bang. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is crazy, guys. So, get to Moscow Metro. Movies it out and we're at the October finally here. Here at the station. Person in Metro. This is the Moscow Metro, my very first. Oh, here we are at the station. Here today.
Осторожно, двери закрываются. Следующая станция.
What's in the board part? Yes. There goes the train. Alright. Welcome to October. Yay. Let's go up. Finally we're at October. Alright guys, that's it for now and welcome October and see you guys will be return. And now the church.